Welcome to English 1. Today you're going to be learning about our grading and Membean policy. The grading policy falls under 3 categories: assessments, homework, and participation. Each of these categories will have grades in the gradebook. Assessments are worth 50% of your total grade. This will include tests and quizzes and essays, any other large projects. This all goes into assessments. Homework is 35% of your total grade. This will be anything that's assigned to be completed at home. And participation is 15% of your total grade. This includes classwork and also participating in class. Here is an overview of the things that are included in assessments, homework, and participation. Notice that Membean is included in the homework tab. Also, that positive talking will boost your participation grade, but talking when the teacher is talking or at other inappropriate times will lower that participation grade. Homework is due at the start of class. Late homework will be accepted for partial credit for up to 2 days. However, missing homework will impact your learning as it does reinforce the classwork that we are doing each day. Any homework that we review in class is not eligible for late credit. Membean, what is it? It is online vocabulary practice. Membean, each week, you will be required to complete 2 sessions with no red flags. Each session should be 10 minutes long, and they must be completed on different days. So you might complete a session on Monday and a session on Saturday. Any days during that week are fine. Red flags would include length, accuracy, activity, review pace, and using the I know this button too frequently. How do you check your session for red flags? After you've finished training for 10 minutes, you're going to go to your dashboard. There you will click on Activity Log. Find the date that you trained and expand the details. It's a minus or a plus sign depending on if you've already expanded it or not. From there, you will click on See Session Details. If all of those categories are green, you're good to go. If you see any red or orange tabs or flags, that means you need to redo the session. Making sure that you are diligent during each session will ensure that you do not get red flags. What are the grades like for Membean? If you do both 10-minute sessions on different days in the week with no red flags, you'll get 5 points each week. If you did 1 session with no red flags, you'll get 2.5 points. And if you did no sessions, or you did sessions and they both had red flags, you will get 0 points each week. This really adds up and can impact your homework grade negatively if you forget to do your Membean. We will have a Membean quiz each month. It will be towards the end of the month, starting in September. If you have any questions about Membean or grades or any other policies, please make sure to ask in class tomorrow. Otherwise, have a great rest of your night.